Okay, I haven't been able to find Dot, the mama cat that I have been looking for. She had trouble 2 nights ago whenever she was having babies, and I tried to help her. I thought, that she delivered the babies, even though the umbilical cords were all tangled up. And she showed up like midnight last night, and then I haven't seen her at all today. I didn't know where she had taken the kittens to, because right after she had them, she removed them from the camper. And I've been looking all day for her, and normally she comes whenever I call. And she's like an extremely attentive mother. She's one of those moms that thinks she's the only one that knows how to raise babies and tends to take everybody else's babies. And I just found the kittens. They're in the closet of what's left of that room right there. And she's not with them, and it's raining, and she's not responding. So I'm going to go get the kittens and bring them inside, because she will, if she's okay, she'll come in looking for the kittens, or just come in to eat or something. But I'm really worried. Dot's like my right-hand man. She's my muscle. She keeps everybody in line. And I don't know. I'm really worried about her. But let's go get the kittens out of the rubble of the burned down house. And fortunately, this girl here, Blaze, gave birth last night. I don't know where she had her kittens at, but I'm hoping that if Dot doesn't show up, Blaze will take over taking care of them. So let's go in here and get them kittens. Picking our way through this rubble here is not fun, because there's nails and there's hollow places underneath where the roof collapsed. So, and the entrance into the hallway over there has been blocked by falling timber, so we're going to have to go through this wall here, and then down the hallway opening, and then in through that room. And they're sitting way, way back in the back of a closet. See all the nails, stuff sticking up? Oh, sorry. All the nails and stuff sticking up. That's why I had to fret so much whenever I catch Macy walking around in here. She's cut herself a path going from the back part of the property to the front through here. So, come on, sweetie. Come with me. Come here, girl. Maybe you can help me with Dots Kittens. It's all very, very wobbly in here. There they are back there. And I'm going to have to put the camera down to try to get in here safely. So, I'll be back with you in a minute.